Fielding's working on his car at a gas station. What's new? What's new, Fielding? Working on your car at a gas station?
Yeah, as usual.
Are you right, bastard?
Yeah.
Fixing things. Vanessa, watch your head. That's all like fiberglass and fucking it's all over your hair if you touch it.
Oh, up there?
Yeah, it's nasty.
I'm not going that far.
It's nasty.
You can't even take a shower.
Bro, yeah, look at this shower, dude. I have to like clean that if I want to shower.
Does the light even work? Oh, okay.
The other bathroom's worse, if you can believe it.
What the fuck is this, really?
Yeah, the other
Where
bathroom's
is it?
actually worse.
Show me. There's tools everywhere.
Hey, this is.
There's shit everywhere. There's fucking. What is this? What is? What the fuck is this?
This is the Florida man.
Like, come look at this tub.
You're right.
Look at this one.
Bro, what the? How the fuck are we supposed to use
There's
this?
a trash can with Dunkin' in it.
Wait, what?
All right, show me this awesome room that we just booked, guys.
All right, welcome to our crib.
Amazing. You're gonna love it.
This place is so sick.
Yeah, extra paint to paint the walls right
No,
there.
no, no. So this is our kitchen. Just be careful. There's paint on the ground. We're not done yet. Not done yet. Kitchen is here. Oh shit, I haven't put those away yet. Damn it. Okay, we got. Well, fuck, I haven't put the blinds up yet.
There's a blind on a fan up
This is the guest bedroom. Why is this here? What the? Fuck, I need to move the boxes. I mean, it's all right. It's not bad. Let's see here. Light in here doesn't work, so we got that. The bathroom. Damn it! I fucking told Pablo to take those tools out of here. God damn it! He fucking put the Dunkin' Donuts in the trash can, put it in the fucking tub, dude. God.
Fucking Pablo.
My workers, man. Fucking workers. This place is ready to rent, though. Ready to rent. Good to go. Damn it! It's falling apart already. Shower's falling apart.
And that's the tour.
This is the best place ever, right?
Yeah, $300 for 2 nights sounds like a steal, dude.
These are quality screws right here. Quality screws.
What? Is... Dude, I think there's someone staying in this room for sure. The TV's on. There's sandals there. What is with this fucking condo company, dude? What the fuck is going on, Xander? This is the biggest shit show ever. What's up, everybody? We made it to Freedom Factory. It is muggy out here, dude. Florida, it's miserable. We're gonna go drive a little bit, get a teeny bit of practice in. We're gonna do the team tandem thing for the Hoonigan shoot, Team Red or Dead.
Yep.
So it should be fun. Hopefully the gearing is okay here. I'm really thinking it might be in between second and third, so it might suck from watching. But who knows? Maybe it will be solid. But we're gonna go out there and have some fun. What's up, Danny?
Hey. Ready to do some laps?
Yeah. Oh, Mesker's going out too. Let's go. doing the Red or Dead team tandem thing. I had to wrangle the boys.
Harrison Johnson. I need red or dead up there.
Yeah, I'm going. But the event won't start, so we have to push start it. So I got the homies. I'm gonna push start it, and then we're doing the Red or Dead tandems. We are in line, waiting for Mesker to show up, and Rudy and Fielding.
Bro, check this out. Climate control says it's 103 degrees in here.
Oh my god!
It's way too hot.
It's so bad, dude.
I'm dripping in sweat.
How does anyone live here? It's like winter time. It's supposed to be like winter time, pretty much.
Yeah. This is, I mean,
This
yeah.
is so much worse than Texas.
Yeah, and it's only,
It's worse than Houston.
like, it says the temperature is 85 right now. Let's see what the feels like is.
It's so bad.
Feels like 91. Nah, it feels like it's 100.
Hey, where are you going, Trevor? Trevor. We're supposed to be next, buddy. Buddy, old pal. Yeah.
I'm tired.
I am too, man. I am too. I'm gonna try to lay down a solid lead for these boys.
Practice went amazing. Harrison's gonna be leading the train here, running a nice smooth wide line. I'll be chasing him down.
As long as I don't fall asleep.
Yeah, as long as he doesn't fall asleep. We didn't get much sleep last night after the disaster of the Airbnb situation.
Yeah, the disaster of like the condo we showed up.
Yeah, all of them, the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing was bad.
Complete disaster. It was a Florida man version of Airbnb. So.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna go have fun out there. Each team is gonna be introduced by the Hoonigans. We're gonna kind of talk about whatever and then go send it. So I think our plan is gonna be to chase him down for, I don't know, 30 or 40 seconds, and then they're gonna start doing donuts and I'm gonna go send it on the bank, try not to
I
crash.
told Fielding to do 85%
Yeah?
in the chase and then just 100% on the bank.
All right. Yeah, I need to do 100% on the bank or else I won't make it. So, wish us luck.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
It is so hot.
Dude, I'm dying. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I wish like we would have choreographed something.
That's okay. The parking thing we kind of half-assed and it worked out. Hey, we didn't crash.
Jessica and I just parked though.
I know. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Well, I saw the other team do it, and yeah. Look at these tires, y'all. This is ridiculous. Completely thrashed on the bank.
Yeah.
That is so scary.
We're gonna go watch.
Okay, let's go
Dang,
watch.
dude.
Yeah.
Those are gnarly.
Completely smoked. Both sides.
All right, guys. So Freedom Factory is over. Fielding's car, after he filled it up, just started pissing out fuel. And he's got a pop tune that shoots fireballs. So he whipped out his fire extinguisher. I got Danny's ready, just in case. And we're gonna drive to the hotel.
Wish me luck, boys.
Yeah, no fireballs, buddy.
No backfire, no two-step, no decel lift.
Just drive like a little baby.
I'm like Miss Daisy.
Miss Daisy.
Should I do it?
Yeah, dude. All right, so
What time is it?
I'm sorry for putting this video out late.
Here,
5
here.
a.m.
Take it.
Because it's 5 a.m. and we're walking back to the hotel because there's no Uber.
No lift, no Uber.
There is nothing
no
available.
taxi.
Nothing at all.
We might have made some new friends at a strip club
We did go to the strip club.
and then kind of killed a lot of time. But it was great. 100% worth it. Would do it again.
Yeah. They were.
We'll see what I say after this fucking 5-mile walk, though.
They were amazing, strong women.
Yeah, they were great.
Very, very
They were really
strong.
nice.
Respect.